Everybody seems to be talking about smart glasses these days. The last big company to do so was Facebook during the keynote speech delivered by Mark Zuckerberg at Facebook Connect 2020. Some of the features anticipated by Zuckerberg include interacting with holograms, digital objects, and information while giving commands with or without your phone. The new smart glasses will be introduced in 2021, probably during the same Facebook event. But we don't have to wait a whole year to find out what smart glasses will be able to offer. Smart glasses are already available in Japan, and the first applications are very similar to what Zuckerberg anticipated. We learned about the Japanese experience at AW 2020, or the Augmented World Expo, one of the leading events in virtual reality. One thing that we learned at the event is that for smart glasses to be successful, they need to offer low latency. There is a very low gap between an action or a command and the response, something that gamers are well aware of. Low latency today can be achieved with 5G connection and edge computing. Since the event was about virtual reality, it did not come as a surprise that our host too was a virtual character. She gave us some details about the technology, the partners involved, and the creative opportunities that revolve around smart glasses. Let's take a listen.
Nreal Light is a lightweight, sunglasses-shaped wearable device with a wide field of view. We chose Nreal as a strategic partner because we can use Qualcomm's Snapdragon and tether to our 5G smartphones for an affordable and great performing package. 5G data usage is expected to increase when users go outdoors. We believe this combination is the best in this space today, but in a few years, 5G modem-integrated smart glasses should also become available. From the viewpoint of XR experiences, we think ultra-reliable and low-latency communications, URLLC, is important. Especially, mobile edge computing, represented as MEC, is a key feature to realize ultra-low latency. MEC is the deployment of GPU servers to the edge of the cloud by mobile operators like us, bringing them very close to end users and resulting in very low latency.
5G is offered in Japan by KDDI, Japan's second largest cellular service provider. au 5G is the brand name of the consumer version of the 5G network that KDDI is installing in all the major Japanese cities. Here is a commercial for Nreal smart glasses that shows what the smart glasses can do when they are connected to a 5G network.
Once you wear smart glasses, virtual TV appears in front of your eyes. You can enjoy movies without having anyone take a peek. Privately enjoy movies on a large screen, anytime, anywhere. XR technology has been enjoyed mainly by single individuals, but with smart glasses, it is possible to enjoy sharing mixed reality space. Smart glasses are so light to wear, just put them on, just like sunglasses. By connecting smart glasses to a smartphone, you can enjoy games with the usual tapping action. The world of VR, including 3D content, is expected to expand in the future. Smart glasses are expected to be further used as audio-visual devices for content expressed in mixed reality space.
The digital world offered in Japan comes from Silicon Valley startup Starfy Inc. Starfy uses satellites to acquire images of cities and creates a digital twin. When a user points a mobile device to a location, Starfy uses their surroundings to identify their location within the city. The core technology for this type of content creation is Visual Positioning Service, or VPS.
As you can imagine, VPS is a combination of GPS, global positioning system, and visual information such as images taken from smartphones. VPS can pinpoint 3D positions in real-world coordinates, including a user's direction and orientation. Precise 3D localization is key to immersive AR and XR experiences in outdoors, and we believe VPS is one of the framework technologies for spatial computing. Our partner Starfy has unique technology that can generate a 3D digital twin of a whole city from only satellite imagery. It enables smartphones and smart glasses to instantly recognize 3D surroundings anywhere in the city.
Once the digital version of the city is in place, The augmented reality effects are limited only by the imagination and by the local laws. Starfy, in fact, operates closely with local authorities and service providers to guarantee safety to users when they move around in a mixed reality environment and during special events.
This is from Tokyo Shibuya City at the Social Innovation Week last September. You can place landmarks and virtual signboards and also place floating objects just for fun. Many virtual objects are integrated into the real city view. It is expected to create a variety of new experiences, including digital signage and navigation linked to location info, as well as advertising, entertainment, art and learning. Soon this can be experienced through smart glasses in addition to smartphones.
Other case histories include the campaigns for brands of beers, in which a user can point smart glasses to a logo to receive a virtual message from a celebrity or from an animated character. The following demo shows how the special effects are created.
Rendered in the cloud, using camera synchronization for low latency 6 degrees of freedom and remote controlled by voice, M1 Robot interacts with the user naturally. These features will also be provided by the Mawari XR Cloud and will free your project from the power limitations of today's devices.
Most of these technologies were created by Mawari, a Japanese production company.
The key technologies that underpin these projects include all of the following: stereoscopic streaming and 6 degrees of freedom over 5G, remote voice control and XR rendering of interactive experiences from the KDDI MEC servers. Here is a brief description of the stereoscopic streaming. It's possible with 5G's high bandwidth and low latency to send a dedicated stream of frames for each eye, which makes for the most immersive and real experience. The diagram shows the left and right frames being rendered in parallel, sending stereoscopic images to the Nreal device. For successful interactive experiences in XR, we need proper positioning of augmented content. One of the most important elements is the synchronization in the cloud between the real world and the virtual scene. If the cameras are not synced properly, the objects won't be positioned well. Mawari XR Cloud synchronizes cameras between the MEC server and the Nreal device. 5G enables this in streams with low latency, and as a result we get a smooth XR experience with 6 degrees of freedom. Here is a simple diagram of how that works. To make camera synchronization possible, Mawari created an efficient data channel between the MEC server and the Nreal device. To enhance interactivity, Mawari added a voice control feature, a natural way to control the experience. It takes immersion even deeper and makes an endless variety of use cases. In this scene of the video, the user is asking M1 to jump. Two-way communication between the user and the MEC server is established through the 5G network. Realistic XR content is realized by combining Mawari XR Cloud Setup and Unreal Engine. A central idea about cloud rendering is to handle heavy operations in the cloud and save user device resources, especially battery.
In the future, smart glasses can also be used to interact with more human-looking virtual characters, like our host, for example. This is particularly important for Japan, which has the highest percentage of older population. There are not enough resources to provide emotional support or companionship for this segment of the population, so virtual characters might become the next providers of emotional assistance. Let's learn more about our host to see what she can do and learn to have an idea of what senior citizens can rely upon in the future.
Let me give some more background about myself. Sponsored by KDDI's AU brand and partnering with Quantum Capture for Technology, my creators gave me the following abilities. I can play in smartphones, tablets, and Nreal glasses anywhere MEC servers and the 5G network can reach. Besides being device compatible, I also can learn product databases in short time. Here's a scene of me selling a television. I can be your 24-hour salesperson, support desk, and assistant. Do you want to know what else I can do? Konnichiwa. I said that in Japanese. I can speak multiple languages fluently, as I'm able to work with text-to-speech or speech-to-text services like Dialogflow, as well as APIs and product databases. Lastly, the team at Mawari is working hard so that I can play in WebAR too.